When the LAPD raided the Bel Air home of Girard Saenz, they savagely, recklessly, and maliciously mangled his collection of pristine firearms. A significant majority of these guns were safely stored in their original boxes for decades. Collectors like it that way. During the raid, the cops ripped the guns from their boxes and piled them on tarps like cordwood. Undoubtedly, each gun was damaged significantly and devalued. From the site, the guns were tossed into a truck and then in an examination piles. The LAPD impound facility is a hostile environment to store fine guns. That collection was worth between $850,000 and $1 million. Keep in mind that Girard Saenz is still considered innocent, but the massive abuse of his property is punishment that's impermissible under our Bill of Rights. This punitive and destruction policy should never be allowed to happen again. After due process and post-conviction, the courts will determine the disposition of seized property. The abuse of Girard Saenz's guns by the LAPD was in fact a felony crime of criminal damage to property. Those responsible should face justice just like any other criminal. I'm Paul Hubel, and this is Crimefile News. Thank you.